Hi there, thanks for joining me in video 2 so we can start your journal. Here's our instructions. Watch the teacher video to draw, color, and complete this sentence stem. I learned that Abraham Lincoln blank. All right, students, we've got 3 things to do. Draw, color, and write. Step 1. Let's get our pencils. If you've got a pencil, please also grab your journal. We need a new clean page to start a new assignment today. Here comes my journal. And remember, we can use the back side of these pages too. Save the trees, please. On this side of my journal, new clean page. First, we always begin with today's date. Will you please start on the top of your paper? 1 for January, 20 for the 20th, and what's our new year? 2021. Awesome! I love to save the big box for my picture and then use the lines here for my sentence stem. Ready to start our sentence? Here it is. Capital I learned that Abraham Lincoln blank. Let's write it together. Here we go. Pencils, begin at the first line. Capital letter I. Say it with me. I learned. Learned. Check this word, please. L-E-A-R-N-E-D. Learned. Finger space. That. That. Abraham. And now that's a name. Proper nouns need capital letters. Give me a capital A for A. Abraham. Abraham. Check that beautiful name, capital A. Abraham. No more space for me here. I'm going to the next line. I learned that Abraham Lincoln, that's part of his name too. It's his last name, so it needs a capital L. Lincoln blank. Now I've got all this space to finish my sentence and add a period at the end. If you know what you want to write that you learned about Abraham Lincoln, pause the video and write the rest of your sentence stem. If you need a little more time to think, that's okay. We can begin our drawing. I've added some pictures here so you can take a look at Abraham. Now these pictures are in black and white because they're from the past. Nice job. Now you can see some details. He's wearing suits in both of these photos, bow ties. He has a beard. And as we saw in the brain pop, he also liked to wear a top hat. It's not here in this photo, but you can add a top hat too. We learned the fact that he was very, very tall. Make sure you draw your Abraham nice and tall. Everybody, grab your pencil. Grab your crayons, and it is time to start your illustration. Show me that tall man. And remember, not an art contest. We all are just doing our best to show this important president. Tall, honest president. Do your best. Take your time. Use your eraser if you need to. Don't forget your crayons. We need to add some colors. Now, even though these pictures are in black and white, we can add some color to ours, like these flags back here. You know he was the President of the United States. You've seen our flag before. So you can add a flag that's red, white, and blue. Remember, he has black hair And don't forget the beard. I'm going to add a hat. If you haven't gotten out your crayons yet, make sure you grab them now and let's add some color details. Everybody's working hard, doing their best. Now you can add lots of other details into your illustration too. Remember, he was born in a log cabin. You can add a log cabin back here. His face is on the penny, if you would like to draw the penny. There's lots of statues of him today you can find. Even on Mount Rushmore, we see his face. He was our president during the Civil War. As you see in this illustration, we've got troops back here. We've got the enslaved people asking him for help. And here he is giving that speech that we saw in our brain pop. All of these ideas can be in your drawing. But the most important idea is what you write for me. Let's look at our sentence stem. We have, let's read it with me, please. I learned that Abraham Lincoln blank. Here's where you need to fill in the rest of the sentence. What did Abraham Lincoln do? What did you learn? I learned that Abraham Lincoln blank. At the end of your fact, don't forget, ding dong, to put a period. When your journal is all done with your details, your color, you have the date. You've got a capital letter I, capital A in Abraham, capital L in Lincoln. You've continued the sentence with a fact and ended with a period. Now you're ready to take a picture and upload for your teacher in Google Classroom. Great job researching President Lincoln with me today. I'll see you tomorrow for science. Adios.